You might wonder how a service provider like Bob's Bowling Alley goes about getting a certificate. For some kinds of certificates, the answer is Bob does some paperwork proving that he owns a business and that it's a respectable business, and at KeyCorp, the corporate equivalent of a private investigator, makes sure that all of that is sensible, and then KeyCorp will issue the certificate. This kind of certificate is usually for something like signing software. But for just a website, there is a simpler and more automated approach through Let's Encrypt. And you may remember that we saw Let's Encrypt in the middle of that certificate chain for www.cs.utah.edu. Many websites use Let's Encrypt to get the certificate. Let's Encrypt works like this. Suppose the manager of the www.bobbowl.com wants to get a certificate. It sends a request to let'sencrypt.org. Let's Encrypt says, okay, prove that you are in control of this web server by, when I ask you later, give me back some random token, like 162435. Let's Encrypt will meanwhile consult some DNS server that it trusts to find out where www.bobbowl.com really is. And the theory here is that whoever can manage the DNS entries really does manage that website. Let's Encrypt will then contact the website at that address, requesting the token, and if it gets the token back that it was expecting, then it will be happy, and it'll reply back with a certificate for the website, www.bobbowl.com. This requesting machine and the server machine don't have to be the same machine, but the idea here is that if you can request a certificate, and if you can update that website to provide the new value, then you really do own and manage that website, and so other people in the future can know that they're contacting the same website. This is less security than making sure that Microsoft.com is really Microsoft, say, but because Let's Encrypt issues certificates that expire frequently and does this double checking through DNS, it's relatively good assurance that each time some new person contacts a website, it really is the website they meant to visit.